I stayed up late at night. I'm tired as hell. I had bags underneath my eyes. I ain't want to do nothing the next day, but I still got up. You feel me? You got to have that type of dedication. If you don't got that dedication, then you need to just cut it out. You need to just go to college. Go get a trade certificate. You feel me? Because guess what? That's where you're going to be at for the rest of your life. And then that's going to be your retirement. I'm not saying that. What's that word, YouTube? It's your boy, NunoccBreezy, back with another video, man. I know it's been a minute since I dropped a banger on this motherfucker, man. I've been dropping straight music on this mob. But guess what? Now I'm finna get straight into the bangers. Y'all already know. It's still gonna be music dropping too. And make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy channel. He gonna get in tune with y'all. And y'all go get in tune with him. And you know it's all love. Now I'm finna be showing y'all how to make money in 2026. Let's get into it. First off, man, I'm gonna just say, you know what I'm saying, I apologize for the, you know, convenience of me just not dropping and just being AFK on the channel. You feel me? It's just, you know, your boy got caught up in some stuff, man. I can't say too much, but just know your boy is chilling. Your boy is chilling. You, man, y'all see me, man. Look, this is light work, man. This ain't nothing but materialistic shit. But look, I'm finna show y'all how y'all can get the same shit, man. All y'all gotta do is tune in, like, subscribe, and share this video, because I know y'all want to put y'all partners on too. You know, you don't want to be the only fresh motherfucker, and you want to ride or something like this. Shit, man, look at this. Man, look, I just detailed the motherfucker, and I got 2 12s in the back, and I'm finna switch them to 2 15s, man. Come on now, look. Look, hold up. I got the drinky, I got the baba. Man, look, you know it's real. You know it's real. And oh yeah, come on now, y'all know it's real. Let's get into it. First, man, I ain't gonna lie. The first thing y'all need to do, y'all really want to make some money and y'all really want to do this business shit, YouTube business, anything y'all looking at, y'all really got to cut off any leeches. And what I mean, I ain't just talking about with the females. I'm talking about 1, homies, 2, family. Yes, it don't matter if you blood. You know what I'm saying? Blood, sometimes your blood might be your biggest downfall, you feel me? It might be your OG, it might be your pops, it might be your sister. Sometimes it might be some of y'all cousins, you feel me? It could be anybody in y'all family, man, just knocking y'all off y'all square, man, just not supporting you. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody gonna support you until you blow up, until you show them that it's a way out here, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody gonna really support your hustle, man. Everybody in the outside looking in, you feel me? It's just y'all gotta grind yourself, you know. Every time when y'all be promoting y'all shit or telling y'all people's, oh yeah, I'm finna do this, I'm finna do that. No, stop that. You know what I'm saying? Look, I'm gonna tell you like this. It's gonna be people that you don't know in different cities, countries, states that's gonna fuck with you heavier than your actual peoples. You feel me? Your actual people that you live with, that you fuck with, that you just be around. You feel me? That you just gotta cut off leeches. You know what I'm saying? Cause that's just out the picture. Get them out the picture, cause they gonna be the ones that, you know, going like this, like, oh, I need this, I need that. No, you feel me? You gotta get them out here. Another thing, man, trapping. And y'all already know what this is, man. If y'all don't know what this is, then that means you ain't really come from that. You feel me? And that's actually something that, you know, I actually took a loss from too. You know, being out here, you know, thinking it's sweet. Yeah, and then another thing about trapping, you feel me? It's called trapping for a reason. You know, it's a trap. Sometimes you got to get in the hustle, make what you got to get, you know what I'm saying? And then get out. You feel me? And what I mean by get out, people get too money hungry. Like me, I got too money hungry with it. Guess what? Got caught up in it. You feel me? It's just, it's certain things that you can do, but you just don't want to overdo it. Like, all money is not good money, you feel me? So what I mean is, fuck the trapping, fuck everything that you heard, like drop shipping, scamming, fuck all that shit, man. Look, you gotta get onto some legit shit. You don't want nothing that's gonna make the police, 12, anybody that you, the feds, whatever you want to call them, man. You don't want none of them to be looking at you like, oh yeah, he's selling drugs, or oh yeah, he's scamming, he doing this. You know what I'm saying? You want to look legit. You want to make sure that you can bring out a business card and, oh yeah, I do this. You feel me? Look, I tell y'all, I'm gonna put y'all on some game. Work a job, go get a certificate, go, you know what I'm saying, start that business. You feel me? And what I mean by get that job, you're not gonna stay at that job forever. Look, what you do, you get that job to fund your needs and your bills. And then once you get that out the way, boom, all your savings, guess what? That's gonna get to start your business. Say, like, for instance, like me, I do details. You know, that's just one of my side hustles. I do details on cars. You feel me? But how you think I got all the equipment to do it? You gotta start from somewhere. Either you was hustling, working a 9 to 5, or shit, you got a handout from somebody. And guess what? Those are the best people. Shit, if you got a handout, your people's got money already, and shit, man, ask them for a couple $100. You feel me? That's all you need. Man, you can start your business with $200-300. You feel me? All you need is the essentials, like being a YouTuber. You feel me? I don't even got my camera no more. I don't even got a PC. My PC is completely cooked. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm doing this all off the phone. This is how I started YouTube. But guess what? I look clean, don't I? You feel me? I just know what I'm doing. So it's not about what you have. It's about how you use it. You feel me? You got to utilize on what you already have, because if you don't, then you're not gonna be grateful for what you have when you get everything. You feel me? And when you lose it all, because guess what? I lost it all before. You think I used to just look like this? You feel me? I used to look like this and I lost it all. You feel me? I ain't never used to ride in nothing like this. You feel me? I had something better than this. Guess what? I lost it. Now I got something even better, but I still miss my other ride. You feel me? It's just, you know, you gotta learn from your mistakes. You feel me? So another thing, say you want to be a YouTuber, you want to be a rapper, anything. You feel me? You gotta go hard at it. Number one is consistency. You gotta be dedicated, and you gotta have ambitions. If you don't have none of them 3 things, you gonna fail, because ain't nobody gonna wake you up out the bed to tell you, oh yeah, you need to write that song, or oh no, you need to get outside, you need to start detailing them cars, or you need to get out here and start hustling. You feel me? It's what you want to do. It's about what you want to do. If you ain't willing to do it, shit, how are you ever gonna do it? You feel me? And I'm just speaking real shit. You feel me? Like, I ain't even bapping to none of y'all, man. I know y'all probably anybody that's thinking that I'm just yapping off at the mouth. I'm not yapping at the mouth. I'm actually telling y'all the real spill, something that nobody's gonna tell y'all. Cause you look, this is basically how this generation is nowadays. They want a handout. You want me to just give you the sauce? Nah, it don't work like that over here. And especially if y'all already was messing with me, if y'all already my fans, y'all know how I get down, man. You feel? This is the real sauce. When you get that job or that real side hustle, something that's gonna be pulling you some money, because you need a start. You need a gig that's gonna start you to get to where you want to do and what you want to be. You feel me? So say you get that job and every week you getting paid $500 or at least $1,000 at least. Or every 2 weeks you might be getting $1,000 every 2 weeks. Okay, guess what? At least take out at least 100. At least 100 to not even at 250 every time. So if you get paid $500 every week and you taking out 150, that's 4 times. That's 4 times in a whole month, and it's 4 weeks. So you're gonna get 4 paychecks in a week. Guess what? Add that up, and guess what? In 1 month, you'll be able to start up your little tiny business that you want to start. And yes, I'm saying tiny business because you're not gonna just be up here. You gotta start from down here. You feel me? And you gotta work your way up. You're gonna go right here, and then you're gonna go up here. You feel me? It's just, and like this, you see what I'm wearing? Guess what? That's what you do after you already got all your hustles and you got everything, you know what I'm saying, playing a part. You already getting money and you got multiple streams of income. But guess what? While you at the bottom, okay, fuck all this shit. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna come with it. You feel me? You gonna look fresh after. You feel me? You don't want to just be looking fresh and then you really don't have nothing to back it up. You just looking fresh. It's a lot of people I know like that. You know what I'm saying? They just looking straight fresh. They got the newest J's. They got the newest shit. And guess what? They ain't riding in no car. You feel me? They Ubering or shit. Man, come on, man. You want to be pulling up on something. You feel me? You want to talk to the ladies. Guess what? Pull up in your G-Ride. You feel me? Like, all that shit. You got to think about that shit, man. Look, you gotta learn how to stack more than what you spend. You feel me? That's another thing. If you spending more than what you could save, it's a problem. You feel me? Like, it might be times you might be riding around. Oh yeah, that's my favorite place to go eat at. Sometimes you might be a smoker, you might be a drinker. Remember I showed you the drink, you feel me? Look, sometimes it's called sacrifices. Y'all want to make a sacrifice sometimes, you feel me? Sometimes you gotta sacrifice things just to get to where you want to be at, you feel me? It's just, it's a number one thing to get to where you want to be at. And if you can't do that, if you can't make sacrifices, you're never gonna make it. You're never gonna make it to where you want to be, and you're never gonna make it to how you trying to shine, your lifestyle. You feel me? Like, I'm just telling y'all real spill. You know, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm NunoccBreezy, man. Like, shit, I'm just telling y'all the real spill. Y'all want to look like this, y'all want to ride like this, man. I'm telling y'all real shit. I'm not gonna just give y'all the sauce just like that, but I'm telling y'all something that's gonna help y'all down the way. You know what I'm saying? On y'all journey. You feel me? This is certain things that help me. You know, I had to cut back on smoking. You know what I'm saying? Hanging with some of the guys. You know, going to the block parties and shit like that. That shit gonna be there when you up. You feel me? You don't want to go. Look, and that's another thing. Everybody that like to party these days, y'all partying in y'all 20s. But guess what? In your teen years, my teen years, I was hustling, man. Why you think I built up a record? You feel me? I can't say too much, but I built up a background, man. Why you think I do the stuff I do? You feel me? It's certain jobs I can't get. You know, it's just, it's things I can't do. But guess what? You see, I'm still living lavish. You know what I'm saying? I'm not comfortable yet, though. And that's another thing. You don't want to be comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Because when you comfortable, shit, that's a man's worst enemy. Because once you comfortable, and this go for the women, too. When you comfortable, guess what? Like, when you all comfortable, oh, yeah, I'm fine where I'm at. Guess what? Now, you don't see nothing else. You don't see nothing else. Because guess what? You comfortable with your situation. You comfortable with what you have. So that's bad. Because then you settling for less. That's what it's called. You're settling for less. Yeah, man. You just don't want to be comfortable. You don't want to be comfortable. You never want to be comfortable. Because guess what? When you're comfortable, like I said, you're going to settle for less. And you're never going to see a brighter path. You know, it's always something better. It's always something to do. You feel me? Man, I used to, look, on a school night, I used to stay up at 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning making YouTube videos to post on my channel. The videos that y'all see, the GTA videos, the reaction videos, every video, music that y'all see on my channel right now, I stayed up late at night. I'm tired as hell. I had bags underneath my eyes. I ain't want to do nothing the next day, but I still got up. You feel me? You gotta have that type of dedication. If you don't got that dedication, then you need to just cut it out. You need to just go to college. Go get a trade certificate. You feel me? Because guess what? That's where you're gonna be at for the rest of your life, and then that's gonna be your retirement. I'm not saying that ain't nothing, you know, that ain't nothing bad or anything like that, but if you want to live like this, you got your freedom. You don't gotta wake up and go to work. You know what I'm saying? Work for somebody else. Work for somebody else's plant. You feel me? You could be the boss. You could be that man telling everybody what to do. And it's not about telling everybody what to do. It's just about having your own foundation. You feel me? It's days that you could not come into work, because guess what? You got certain employees like managers, supervisors, that's already running that mob. And guess what? You chilling, you cruising. You feel me? You bumping your music, your 215s, 212s in the back. You feel me? You got your girl in the seat. Man, come on, man. You want to live like that? Shit. Guess what? You got to put the work in. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, sometimes you got to start with a job. Sometimes you do got to go to college and go to trade school. But guess what? That's just for the money, so you could get your, what they call it. So you could get your foundation started. You know, you got to start from somewhere. You got to get the money from somewhere. You ain't going to just be able to go outside and pick like $1,000 off the tree to start your business. You feel me? You gotta get out there. You gotta get your hands dirty, man. Get your feet wet. That's what the OGs used to tell me, man. Don't be scared to get your feet wet. Man, I was never scared, man. Look, I was out there 5, 6 years old pushing that lawnmower down the block, man, in the hood. Come on, man. Like, it's stuff like that. You gotta go and get it. And if you ain't gonna go get it, shit, man, you might as well click off this video. This video ain't for you, man. I'm speaking to the people that really want to go get it. Everybody that want to shine, that want to get somewhere, that want to be a boss one day. You know what I'm saying? Be able to ride like this one day. You feel me? Be able to blast their music. Like shit like that, man. You want to wear earrings like this. You want to, you feel me? You want to look like this, man. I'm not saying you got to look exactly like me, but shit, you want to look a little fly like me. You feel me? You want to be able to go out and do what you want to do without having to look at your Cash App balance or your bank account balance, or you could be able to pull out a fat wad out your pocket while you got your girl next to you, man. I'm talking about that type of shit. You know what I'm saying? And look, this is the real spill from NunoccBreezy, man. Like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share. Go follow my boy on IG, and YouTube. Go subscribe to his YouTube. He dropping new music, and he finna be dropping the same type of content I'm dropping, man. If y'all want some of his real spiel, because everybody ain't gonna drop the same real spiel, you feel me? And go subscribe to my little brother channel. Everything gonna be in the descriptions, and I'm finna have it on the screen. Y'all already know how I come. And that's enough from NunoccBreezy. I just spit some spill. Like I said, I've been down for a little minute, and I'm still kind of down, but y'all see I'm still living, you know what I'm saying? This ain't nothing, but guess what? In a couple weeks, I'm finna be good, and I'm finna be dropping bangers left and right like this, you feel me? Y'all know how I used to drop the bangers, you feel me? I'm finna get right back to that shit. So, you feel me? If y'all wanna ride like this, man, look, I got this motherfucker decked out, man, look. Shit, this ain't nothing, man. I got the 215s back there. Y'all can't see it right now, though. I ain't gonna get out the car. I don't feel like doing all that. That's too much work, you feel me? I already been doing too much work, man. Look at my hands, man. Like, come on now. Yeah, man. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'm finna get back up with y'all, man. Peace.